Welcome to the Smoke and Mirrors Nail Blog YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be unboxing the Gelish Forever Fabulous collection. Because I'm a nail professional, I wanted to order all 12 colors and I ordered it online. If you're a Cosmoprof customer, you can order online or in the store, and it came with this display. It also came with this card. It makes a tent. You can fold it up and make a tent, and it has swatches of all the 12 different colors in this beautiful Forever Fabulous collection. As you can see, it came with this hat box display, and I believe hat box refers to the way it's going to be set up. This is the Marilyn Monroe Forever Fabulous collection. Both Gelish and Morgan Taylor have their colors in this collection, and I believe the hat box is fitting for Marilyn Monroe. You'll see it comes with the photo of her, and it comes with this velveteen display setup. This is where the 12 polishes will go. Looks like it comes with instructions on how to set up your hat box. And then inside we have the polishes. There are 12 polishes in this collection, and so there are 6 in each box. Let's take a look at those colors. These polishes are just in the box in no particular order. The first one is called The Camera Loves Me, and this is a burgundy cream. And this one is called Batting My Lashes. It's a deep mahogany cream. This is called Some Like It Red, and this is a bright red glitter. Next we have Blue Eyed Beauty, which is a baby blue cream. We've got Wish Upon a Starlet, which is a red shimmer. And finally, in this box of 6, I've got I Prefer Millionaires. And this color is a copper plum pearl. Next we have Ice or No Dice, which is a gold glitter. Then a bright red cream called A Kiss from Marilyn. Diamonds Are My BFF. This is a fine silver glitter. Hollywood's Sweetheart, which is a rosy pink cream. This color is called She's a Natural. It's a soft nude cream. And finally, in this collection we have Wrapped in Satin. This is a snowy blue shimmer. So in this collection we have 6 creams. We have 3 glitter polishes and 3 shimmer or pearlescent polishes. If you'd like to see these swatched in real time, be sure to check out my swatching video for this collection.